everybody, salutations, hello, welcome back to my channel. This video we are going to be doing, or I'm going to be installing the wig from BeautyForever hair. All the information for this hair of course will be in your description box below. Also, BeautyForever's anniversary is going to be October 13th and they're going to have an annual discount for everyone, so look at the website link below. The hair that I'm installing is this 24-inch curly wig, and this is how it just comes packaged. But you know we love an easy install around here because we do not have time to be spending hours on some hair. So let me just tell you about all the features. This is BeautyForever's Byebye knots wig. So what that means is that they pre-bleach the knots for you and they pre-pluck the lace. So as you can see, like, it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked. They even have the baby hairs cut out for you, and it looks like this. This is their 24-inch curly texture. So this is what the wig looks like. I'm not sure of the density off the top of my head. It'll be scrolling along for you here, but this is just another up close. This is their 7x5 closure. So this is how wide that comes. It is actually pretty wide. It has two combs on the sides, your elastic band here, and then it also has this no slip silicone grip around the edge here. But the really main point of this wig is the fact that it's like bye-bye knots, meaning like you don't have any knots. They bleach it for you and they pre-pluck everything for you, so you can install this wig gluelessly. You can literally just put it on and go. And we love a quick, easy install. Nobody has time for all that. So yeah. Inside of the box, really quickly, it comes with a cute care package here, which has some eyelashes, a wig band, a wig cap, and a makeup brush. They also send you another edge band, and it comes with a dust bag. We love dust bags for our wig because you need a place to store them when we're done with them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm just gonna take a sheer wig cap like this. My hair is my hair, okay? Thank you very much. Let's just ignore all that. But I'm just gonna slide this wig cap on like so, and then slide it back like that. And there you have a wig cap. And then just really quickly, I'm just taking my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses. I got this from Amazon. And I'm just gonna put it along the edge of the wig cap just so it blends with my complexion. And so this is the wig right here. Since the knots and everything are already bleached, I'm not gonna spray anything in it. The only thing, I'm not gonna spray any like lace tint on the lace because it doesn't need it. But the only thing I'm gonna do is just adjust this wig band, make it a little wider, and then I'm just gonna slide this wig on. Y'all, and look how easy it was to install this wig. And something that I'm noticing I really like the parting of the middle part. I know a lot of wigs, when they give you a middle part, the middle part is actually like rather thin, but I like how wide this is because it looks more natural. Also like the fact that they give you baby hairs right here. And yeah, it's actually good to go. Honestly, you can put the wig on like this, and I would recommend maybe like sprucing up the curls a little bit, but besides that, this is a ready to wear wig. And then also it's very sturdy. As you saw the construction, all the features earlier is to help prevent the wig from sliding, even though I don't think anybody does all of this with their head. Just in case, you never know. When you gotta give your head a little shake, you wanna make sure your wig doesn't go anywhere. So yeah, so that passes that check. And also, I really like the lace. Like the lace looks really, really good as well. Like it blends in really, really well. So 2 thumbs up so far from this wig from me. Like, and I also like how at the top it's already flat a little bit. Like I know some wigs it's not, and you got to use your hot comb. I probably will still go in with my hot comb just a little bit, but it's like they already even did those details for you. So they, you know, did this here. Usually I would do that with my hot comb and make it flat here. It's like they were paying attention. They're definitely paying attention, and that's already here. All right, so now the next thing that I'm gonna do is, one thing that I noticed is like my hairline comes down a little far. As you can see, my edges, natural edges are right here. So I think what I'm gonna do is just extend the baby hairs on the wig just a little bit, just so it covers up my natural hairline. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is just define these curls. Like, this is fresh out of the box curls, which, I mean, you can wear it like this if you want to, but I am not. So I'm just going to part my hair into smaller sections like this and just work with like one section at a time and just define these curls. Taking my spray bottle here, and this time I'm using my Afoji styling wrap mousse. Just because this gives my hair like a stronger hold as opposed to the other mousse that I usually use, the Cream of Nature, that gives it like a softer hold. I just want to try something different and see what it's like. So I'm just going to drench this hair completely. And then I'm just taking my brush here that needs to be cleaned out. That's gross. I'm just going to brush through these curls and just like spray the water and brush until everything is like completely saturated. I like doing this because this really helps you see the genuine texture of the curls. Like the curls that the hair comes in, like when you first see it out the box, that's not the real curl texture. You know, you want to see the real, and plus this looks a lot better. It looks more natural when you do this. Now I'm just gonna take the foam and run it through the hair. And then I'm gonna give it a little scrunch to help shape it. Look how the curls look when you brush through them. Super cute. So now that that's done, the next thing I'll just do is just wait for this to dry. I can also use my diffuser if I wanted to speed up that drying process, which I absolutely could do. But before I do that, I'm gonna do a couple of last finishing touches. This wig pretty much already comes like pre-styled in the front. So what that means is, like, as you can see, like this is already going back some and it's already flat at the top. But I have my hot comb here. I'm just gonna do it just a little more. Ow. It don't even need it, honestly, but this is just my personal preferences. And this is what it's looking like. And also what I'm loving is I do not have to put any concealer on this part because the part is already doing what it needs to do, honey. The part is already parting. So if you like the wet look, this is what the hair looks like wet-ish. I I personally like the dry, fluffy, bigger look. That's just more of my personal preference. I think it looks really pretty. I don't like wet curly hair. Like, I don't know. That's not my thing. But yeah. One last thing that I want to do that I don't think is actually necessary looking at the lace, but I'm just going to do it anyway for my peace of mind. But I'm just going to take some of this cream makeup and put it just along the front right here. But honestly, this lace lays so good that you don't even need it. But I just wanted to put a little bit right here, just in case you thought you could see something, and now I just really covered it up because lace where? Where's the lace? Exactly. There's no knots. This is Byebye knots and Byebye lace. But as you can see, clearly it's still glueless, so love that for me. And this is the look. What I'll probably do is in the B-roll in the beginning of the video, you'll see what it looks like dry. And right now you get to see what it looks like wet. But yeah, no, overall, I love this hair. This install was super, super easy. I love easy installs because I don't have time hours and hours and hours on end to be doing no hair. Nobody has time for that. We all have busy lives and schedules. We gotta work, we gotta take care of kids or whatever. We gotta do X, Y, and Z, and we don't have time for hair as well. So I love how fast this was. I love the curl pattern. It's super pretty. I love that they have their Byebye knots. So, you know, that means there's no knots here. You know, it's pre-bleached. The lace was pre-cut. It was pre-plucked. And this is curly hair. So the only thing you have to do is define the curls. There's no styling or curling involved, honestly. And then the only thing I did was just extend my baby hairs just so it covers up my natural hair. But honestly, you don't even have to do all that. That was just me being me. But overall, this hair is amazing and I love it. Let me show you the back again. And yeah, like this is definitely a go-to curly wig for sure. Like for sure, if you want something simple and cute and easy to install, definitely get you one of these. Check out the information. It will be in the description box below. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.